It's a 2014 Chrysler 300. Innovative technology and top-of-the-line safety coexist. The intuitive and standard 8.4-inch Uconnect touchscreen allows access to your personal music library, radio and compatible devices. Remote keyless entry, multi-function steering wheel, and a power driver's seat also puts control in your hands. Plus, it comes fortified with an arsenal of standard, active, and passive safety and security features.
Leave your driving gloves at home thanks to the heated steering wheel. Leave the scraper in the car thanks to the heated mirrors. Your passengers will be wrapped in comfort with heated rear seats.
Offering the perfect combination of luxury and high performance, experience this 300 today.
Call, click, or stop in today. Fowler Dodge is conveniently located at 55 West I-240 Service Road in Oklahoma City.